As the mind evolves and the veils of defilement that conceal the Buddha nature are attenuated through the cultivation of positive thoughts and actions, changes are detected in the outer world. The signs of the Dharma begin to appear. Gradually, one's interest in the Dharma becomes more clearly articulated, and eventually an encounter with the teachings will occur. One will meet with Buddhist practitioners and teachers, and thanks to them it will be possible to enter the path and engage in the practice. None of this is mere chance occurrence. The appearance of the Dharma in one's outer world and the growth, or rather the unfolding of the Buddha nature from within, correspond to each other like answering echoes. Finally, after a period of long preparation, which may extend over many lifetimes, the time will come when a truly qualified guru, endowed with perfect realization and enlightened skill, will appear within the disciple's environment. And thanks to a spiritual aptitude born of great reserves of positive spiritual energy or merit, the disciple will be able to perceive more or less the character of such a teacher as he or she really is.